Hi everybody, it's James Rowley again, still doing laundry in Hammond Forever House. A little more about washing machines. You'll notice what's strange about this one is that the washing machine is right by the wall. We used to have the dryer here because it would have a vent that would blow the hot air and moist air out of the house from the dryer. But then, when we bought a new thing, we got a heat pump clothes dryer. So this thing just vents inside the house. It's a heat pump, so it doesn't just use a lot of energy to heat up a bunch of air. It actually uses heat pump technology to heat that air, and then the air goes through a couple of filters, and when it comes out into the room, it's warm, which is great in the winter. And in the summer, we don't like that particularly, but we put our clothes out on the clothesline, and we save quite a lot of energy that way. All right, that's all I want to say about that. I'll see you next time.